Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to today's video. Today we'll look at the trade setup for EURUSD as well as how our last week trade turned out to be. So before looking at for the trade for today, we will see how our last week's trade setup went by. So I get trade for USD on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday last week, and I gave a buy somewhere here at 1.0897 or 1.09, and that was on Tuesday. And then again I gave a short, a long again somewhere here, and another long once it actually broke the important resistance of 1.1. So overall, last week's trade was close to 160 pips, as you can see, and so that was an impressive trade. And the drawdown was not more than 5 or 10 pips, and that was really good as well. So if you had traded one lot and followed my trades, it would have been profit of $1,600. So that's like free money that's been flowing just looking at the video. So that was last week's trades for 3 days, and I did not give a trade on Friday, considering Friday usually is very slow, and so not many big traders coming in. Might have some volatile movements, and as you can see, there was a drop from the peak, multi-year peak of 1.107 to 1.097, and it actually broke this resistance of 1.1 as well. So I support 1.1 as well when it came down from the peak of 1.107. So just removing this one gonna distract us for the chart today. So before looking at the technicals for today, let's look at what is lined up for today in the calendar, economic calendar. So looking at the economic calendar for today, news from the US has been a bit quiet. Not many news coming from the US, or rather not many high impact news coming up from the US, but we have this speech by ECB president, and if he's going to sound hawkish, and obviously the EURUSD is going to go up, and it's going to break the technical outlook for it. But apart from that, no other major news is coming up, and there won't be any other movements for EURUSD based on the economic calendar. So only the movements might be coming up based on the speech ECB president is going to give. So coming back to the chart, as you can see, it actually broke the important resistance, couple of resistance actually here, 1.102 and 1.1. That's psychological resistance of 0.11, and 1.102 was a previous high that was in 2nd of Feb. So it broke both those support when it came down from the peak of 1.107, and as you can see, it retested here at 1.1 region. It became a resistance now, and as you can see, it was a good setup if you had shorted here, and you might have taken a profit of almost like 30 pips. Even now it's not a really bad thing. It's at 1.108.85, and the RSI is as well, it's somewhere near to this 50 range, and more or less going down. As you can see, the downward trend in the RSI as well on the 4-hour chart. So trade setup for today will be to short from where it's currently trading at 1.108, and so I'll somewhat look to take profits at 40 pips from here. So you can close your shorts at 1.0945, or you can hold it for some more time, and it should come out to 1.092, and we might see some kind of an push up from here, 1.092 region. This is again one of the support regions for here, as well as there is a trend line going up. So we will either you can either short now and close it off the trades somewhere close to 1.094, or hold it here and wait until 1.092 region. So that's the trade setup for today, and if you like the video, please like the video and share as well, and subscribe to the channel. So once I post the video, you will obviously get a notification, and you can jump out of the trades right away. Other than that, happy hunting pips, and see you all tomorrow on a new video. Thanks everyone. See you.